Morning, everybody. Just a second, getting the channel set up on YouTube, heading over to TikTok. Oh, man. Hope you all slept good. Morning, good morning, good morning. All right. I do believe we have this one done. Let's head over to here. Good morning, everybody. All right. Now, let's see. Go to my other computer. Good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? Y'all a little less tired than I am? Nice. Okay. I think we are all set. I'm thinking. We'll see. Maybe, maybe not. All right. I'm a little tired this morning, so bear with me. All right. Now, what do we have going on this morning? I don't know. I'll take a look at a whole bunch of things before we get started, though. Understand that I'm not a financial advisor. Please say yes. You understand that I'm not a financial advisor. You can pause this anytime, read it over. Please remember, you guys are all adults. Make your own dang on decisions. Don't listen to anything I'm telling you. I'm just trying to teach you my way of trading that I use personally. Hopefully, it's helped a few of you make some money with some demo money. I think we are almost there. I forgot to ask Keith what time we're meeting today. Dang it. We have the United States of America trademark issued from the United States Patent and Trademark Office. It's registered safe to trade to me for a class 41. Coaching in the generational wealth. Love that. Thank God for that. All right, let's head over to here. Now, good morning, Adam. Good morning, Annie Leland. Good morning, Ruben. Good morning, Mike Snyder. Good morning, John C. Good morning, Ted Parker. Good morning, Leon. Good morning, Stephen. Good morning, Jay Parker. Good morning, Dr. Matt. What's up, Dr. Matt? Good morning, Joseph and Joe Biga and Joe Dixon and George and Malachi. I hope you're healing up, Malachi. Good morning, Jones. Good morning, Miss Maria Toller and Lachey. Sounds like the social life is going well in Vegas. Yeah, we're having a great time. Good morning, Ruben, Bob. Good morning, Bob. Good morning, Brian Slaw. Again. Good morning, LT. If I can get some thumbs up from people, and I'm going to need a lot of people to head over to TikTok today, or I'll be canceling YouTube, just so we're clear. TikTok is the real safety trade. Thank you for being over there, Bob, and I'm both. What's up, Burn Dog? Flight 375, 379. Good morning. What about me? I don't know. What about you, Burn Dog? All right. Good morning, everybody. All right. I think we're golden. Good morning, Larry Cooper. All right. So everybody on YouTube, please head over to TikTok. The real safety trade will be the only one that's live. If y'all don't head over to TikTok within the next few minutes, I'm going to be closing down the YouTube. I want to just be on TikTok. So, choices. Good morning, everybody. Let's whip through a whole bunch of callouts. Oh, man. Here we go. Gold. 1 minute. Well, hell that. A little late, aren't we? This is 1 minute? Shit. Gold is a buy stop. I think in our Discord they were saying it was a 4-hour daily. I mean, it's quite obvious. Logo being formed 15 minutes. Whatever your was back here, yeah, the 4-hour daily. Yeah, someone read that right. 4-hour daily. Yeah, it's too late. You guys should have gotten in on that, what they called last night. Oh, well, still very good call, whoever called that. We'll get to US. Well, let's take a look real quick. US 30, 15 minutes. Oh, interesting. Yeah. So let me see, make sure that yes, I said NAS, SPX US 30, 15-minute sell towards the US 30, 15-minute blue line. Guess hit it. And then my favorites are the 1-hour, 4-hour buy stops. Gee whiz. I guess you made both those calls were very accurate yesterday. Thank God. Hope y'all made some money on that. Beautiful. So anyway, we'll get back to those in a minute. EUR USD, 1 minute. Five minute. USD. One minute buy stop, EUR USD. Forming a 1-hour, 4-hour sell stop, EUR USD. That's all you need to know. USD CHF is the opposite of what I just called. GBP JPY. You ever something about being a buy stop? Oh, again, 1 minute buy just happened too late. 15 minute. GBP JPY. GBP JPY. A little late for you to be entering in. 4-hour daily buy. And that's about it on that one. Bitcoin, we've been calling correctly. All of you. We'll come back to Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let me go to Amazon and oil real quick. Amazon, 1 minute sell, 5 minute buy. As is Amazon all the time. I like to buy at this moment. Yeah, and then they had a split. Nothing I can do on that. US, UK oil. To be too late. 1 minute, 15-minute buy, 1 minute buy, 15-minute buy, 30-minute. Should have got into it back here when it was on its 1 hour. It's a little late to enter into this trade. Forming it's a 4-hour buy, daily buy. Yeah, there's nothing to really call on that. Let's go back so we can go over Bitcoin so you guys can see what was being called. Let's go over to monthly. Okay. Now here we go. This is monthly Bitcoin. You see the blue line dip down. Green, green, green. This is red. Green, green, buy, stop. That's Bitcoin. If you look at the same setup monthly, this is let's see, same exact setup: green, green, blue line low, green, 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 red, green, green, and this is your buy stop right here. And that is your monthly Ethereum. If you look right here on XRP, blue line low, green, green, red, green, green. It's also a buy stop. You'll notice that this one is a little different than Ethereum, which is way high. Bitcoin, which is way high, and went over the center point, which I told you would. By the way, just so we're all on the same page. So let me show you something. Ethereum has not gone past the center point yet. Buy stop monthly Ethereum. It will eventually be over. What is this? 45.78. Been calling that for over a year. Buy stop XRP monthly. You'll see it go over $1.54 eventually. Calling that for over a year. Also, we call Bitcoin since March 1st. Damn, I got work of last year. Now, how high does it go? I don't care. If you didn't listen to me for the last 365 days calling out a buy, you won't listen now. So we're all done with that. We might come back to it later. We'll see. All right. So what's up, Tank Dog? What's up, Sash? Yes, God is great. Larry, don't see me live on TikTok. I think I'm live. I see myself. Good morning, Annie. Good morning, Sergio on TikTok. Good morning, Theodore. Good morning, Howie the Only. Good morning, Brian Claus. I don't know. I'm not even responding to that. See, I used to love responding to people and the idiots and shredding them a new one for being silly, but not anymore. I laugh and whatever. 49. That's cool. Yeah, if we keep up that number, I won't close down YouTube. That's fine. What's up, LF George? Hi, Kevin. How's Vegas? Love on. I have it pulled up. Thank you, Adam. LF George. Hi, Kevin. How's Vegas? Love it. Absolutely. Unbelievable. We went out looking for our four-wheeler rental place. Couldn't find it. We saw parts of Vegas we hadn't seen ever. Beautiful, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Then we went to the Strip, went to the Wynn Casino, went to the wherever that mall is right over by the Wynn Casino. It was just fantastic. Kind of a private joke because we listened to that fantastic song. It's so fun. I see something. I'll not be able to pull up TikTok. Son of a gun. I might not be able to expand this like I wanted. Give me just a second. Okay, so we just called out a whole bunch. If any other people have anything else they want me to go over, any other symbol, please ask now. If I could chart it, I'll ask. Thank you, Larry. What's up, Larry? Thanks for being on both. What's up, John Hentos? So there's 38 here. Zoom this in. TikTok's weird how they do their ability to see the names. All right. Good morning, clean eat junkie. You literally can DoorDash Cheesecake Factory, Parmigiano's Italian restaurant. You name it, we can DoorDash it. It's amazing. We go out to eat. We don't go out to eat. Gosh, Vegas is something else. And to tell you the facts, Bree and I don't even drink like at all. Crazy. This, ladies and gentlemen, was being transferred over to a new page, I guess you could call it, new room. It's being worked on as you speak. In fact, let's head over to something. Let me, I seriously don't have anything to do with anything. Nope, not yet. But soon enough, this scanner, I'm expecting today, Lord willing, matter of fact. Let me write Keith. Where'd he go? Good morning. When would you or Keith's trying to get a whole bunch of shit done. Me and Bree were in, well, actually, we were having some fun in the mall. We were shopping at Victoria's Secret, Tiffany's. Got the coolest little diamond necklace from there, cross necklace. Very pretty, very cute. Anywho, this is looking interesting. US 35-minute bicep. I have to look at this. Is that correct? At any rate, this will be updated to look like this. 30-second, minute 1, minute 3, minute 10, daily, weekly. I do believe they're all going to be on there. And you'll be seeing this replaced with this, I believe, today. And then everybody who has the sniper add-on will be getting it built into your charts. And that looks like I have one. I thought I had one with it on. Now I got so many things I have no idea. Well, anyway, so free upgrade should be done today. Lord willing, I'm thinking it's going to be done today. And then we move on to gold, and then we move on to oil, and I'm going to show you what those are. And then we move on to the triple indices, the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. What are we moving on to? I'm going to show you in just a second what the signals are going to be. Bree and I are vacationing for 3 months in Vegas. Yes, you can vacation anywhere you want to vacation where you're trading. I do have 9+ years. I think it's 10. I created my own trading system called the Safety Trade because I got tired of losing for 5.5 years. $6,500. And because my youngest daughter has epilepsy, she needed a way to make money without having to work a third shift. Nothing wrong with third shift. I just didn't want her doing that the rest of her life. She takes Lamictal, she can sleep, can't sleep at night, so that's why it's not. 1,000+ members in the community and growing every day. It's made for beginners. Doesn't mean it's easy. It means it's color coded so beginners can learn it. It's just like learning a new language. It takes a minute. Some people come quickly, some don't. We've been offering a signal service since January 2024. It's 50-0, 50 wins, 0 losses, 100% win rate. No, I don't expect it to stay that way. I expect it to be at 80% or greater. Professionals are at 64%. So as long as we're beating them by a significant margin with my signal service, I'm going to be happy. Yes, I understand that 50 sounds incredible and too good to be true. But the reality is this. If you follow the rules, the system is flawless. So again, let me show you something here. Hold on. Let me show you something. Possible for him to have created a signal service that's 50-0. Oh, it's too good to be true. I'm upset. It's too good to be true that it never will, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let me show you why it's 50-0. Let me show you why we make. Good morning, Fly Sky Jam. Good morning. I need everybody from YouTube to head over to TikTok, keep YouTube on. Which coin, if you don't mind, says sure. Let's see if I can find it. Let's see if I can find it. All right. Deutsch. I don't think I have it open. Microsoft. Yeah, I haven't looked at Deutsch in a long time. Well, anyway, I'll take that off in just a second. Where have my symbols? Where are they at? With my symbols. Let's see. Cryptos. There you go. I haven't looked at this in probably a year. Oh, okay, everybody. Let's take a look, and it's already done it, but I knew you were going to see it go further. Here's Deutsch. Before we go to Deutsch, everybody answer the simple question. Everybody that's scamming, stealing my signals, just watch me for this year or so. Watch what you're about to see. Okay, let's take a look. That's Deutsch, right? Doggy coin, Deutsch coin. All right, here we go. Let's take a look and see what Bitcoin is. This is how I want to prove with 100% certainty that this is not too good to be true. The system is 100%. Everyone here, what is this? Buy stop, sell stop, or you don't know? Well, you don't know. Buy stop, sell stop. Green, 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 red, green, green. Monthly, blue line low, pink cross. Told you when to get in. Is this a buy stop or a sell stop? Type it out, please. What's up, Zocker 476? Hi. Correct, Annie. Correct. Correct, Joe. Correct, Igo. Correct, Annie. Let me see over here. Buy, stop, buy, stop, buy. Correct, Jan. Correct, Greg. Not a buy, Greg. It's a buy, stop. Correct, George. Correct, Zocker. This is the buy stop. So without a doubt, let me put this out there to everyone on Earth. Well, is included. If you see this exact setup, blue line low on the monthly, pink crossing it, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Put your buy stop on the red line. whatever's lowest, monthly, weekly. And here it is. So this is a fact. Every time you see this exact setup, take a picture of it. Every time you see this exact setup, right inside of here, right here, right inside of here, right there, it looks just like this. Okay. Blue line low, sniper low, green, 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 red, green, green. It will always be a buy stop, and it will always go up. This happens to be monthly. Always. I don't care what symbol you pick, whether it's 100 different symbols on 200 different symbols on MT4, whether it's 1,000 symbols on TradingView. Every time you see this, it'll always go up. I don't care if that's Bitcoin. Look at Ethereum. It'll always go up. This is red right here. Green, 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 red, green, green. Line one down here. Buy stop. I don't care if you see it on watch XRP. It's a buy stop. It went up, but it's not done. It didn't go past its middle point yet. I don't care if it's Dogecoin. Same exact setup. Here so you guys can see it better. Look, it's already gone across. Green, 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 red. You don't have the rest here. The BAC, but it's still going to go up. I believe we're going to see Dogecoin go above. Until I'm done with the buy, I would play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, and weekly buy stop for the monthly 0.35132. That's how I look at Dogecoin. It's already gone up. You already missed a good push, but is it past its center point yet? No. So, for instance, what I'm saying directly to you is, as I called out over a year ago now, Bitcoin would go over its center point. Look, I literally have said this for this long. I said Bitcoin will go over that 69, 70,000, and of course it has. I'm telling you right now, Ethereum will go over the same thing, or I play this until it does, whatever the hell that is, 4,600 or something. Same for XRP. I would play the buy stop in XRP until then, $1.59 or some shit. But that's just me. You guys trade how you're going to trade. You asked about toys, I'm telling you about toys, how I look at it. Now, any symbol that has this, any monthly symbol that works same thing for sell, let me be clear on something. Look over here, people on YouTube, watch. This right here, everybody, by the way, what is this inside of here? The opposite, blue line high, 8 crosses, red, 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 green, red, red. What is the sell stop, buy stop? This is monthly. And this was GBP USD. Thank you, Greg, for correcting that. Yes, sell stop. You're welcome, Theodore, Ted. Correct, Annie. Correct, Zakir. Now, if anybody, oopsie, sorry. If anybody wants to debate that this is a sell stop, or wants to debate ones were monthly buy stops, I'll take a moment. Send me your phone number through my email. And I've been offering haters to come on here over 2 years on TikTok and over a year and a half on YouTube. I've been asking any hater or doubter, someone, I want a professional code. We had professionals, actually. We had professionals by the system left, right. I had people sitting on the floor of the German stock market, or used to, how they used called runners. I have people on the New York Stock Exchange. I do have multiple, I have no idea what we're up to. probably 15, 20 financial analysts using my system, and not one of them, no one has ever come in to say that this fails. That they can never show one time when this setup is just like this for a sell and the other way for the buy to show you. Correct, Greg. Correct, Jan. Correct, Greg. Correct, John. Good morning, Jason McCain. Now, does everybody understand that the system is 100% accurate 100% of the time? I say 99% of the time because I give God the credit. He can do whatever he wants. So when I tell you that our signal service is 50-0, it's over that, way over that, with 100% win rate. I know how it sounds. Oh, my mama said it sounds too good to be true that it is. Well, your mama never learned the system. My mom used to say the same thing. God rest her soul. But the reality is the system is 100% flawless. Look at this right here. These are sell stops. I can randomly go through them. Let me say that's GBU. Let's see what USD CAD looks like. What is this right here? You got a buy stop. Same exact setup as gold and XRP and Bitcoin and Ethereum. All the same. This is a buy stop right here. Matter of fact, buy stop, USD CAD to the blue line monthly. Put in a buy stop. We'll go up to this blue line. That's where she's going. We'll come back in about, I don't know, 2 to 6 months, 6 to 8 months, and you'll see it touch this blue line. EUR, GBB, let's see. Buy stop. And it went up. Let's see. If you guys are thinking, by the way, this isn't a lot of money right here, this would be, oh shit, I can't see. 500, 600 pips on EUR, AUD. Or EUR, GBP, sorry. EUR, buy stop to the blue line and hit it. This is a buy stop for EUR, AUD. For the GBF. Sell stop right here. We sell stop and down. And again, you guys are missing this. This is 2,000 pips. This sell stop on GBB Chef. 2,000 pips. There it is. Red, green, red, red. It never fails. I don't care if CAD, Japan, CAD, JPY hasn't formed anything recently. Odds, New Zealand. Sells out here, right here, and here twice. High. Well, it's all one big one. Red, 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 green. Red, red, sell stop. Boom. Down she goes. Down she goes. Every time. I haven't looked at these things in years. It's CAD sell stop right here. Red, 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 green. Red, red. What I'm showing you is a system that never sell stop right here. It isn't, well, this might be green right there. I can't see it. I'm sure it was actually. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. Odd stuff. How many pips this was? Like, I can't read it because my damn cursor so big. I'm doing any desk game. Somewhere around 1,200. If you don't know what pips are, I don't know, learn. Buy stop back here. Let me shrink this down. Here you go. This is CHF, JPY. So what am I teaching you all? Buy stop, low, pink cross, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. What am I teaching you all? Whole bunch of things. If you're losing with my system, nothing. It's all 30. Actually, technically, this would have been a buy stop here, but I don't want to get into that with you. Catch chef. There we go. Sell stop. It never misses, is never wrong. When this forms on the monthly, would anybody like to call in and debate me? Pick a symbol and show me where this is formed. Sniper high. Red, 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 green, red, red. And go ahead and show me one. I'm randomly picking hundreds of these things. Well, okay, a dozen of these things, 2 dozen of these things this morning. It's never wrong. Good morning, Joanna Wembley. Good morning, Tommy Tools. What's up, Tommy? I don't know if Tommy has time today. Tommy, can you tell everybody what happened when they laid you off? You mind typing that out? So what am I saying? Yes, I know how it sounds when I say that the signals are 50 and 0. They're actually 50-0 and like 3 no calls for I don't know what the end of the month here. 3, 4, probably even 5 or 6 of my own signals I sent out with free for you guys, personal signals. So if anybody would like to come on the show live right now with me, feel free. If you want to debate that these exact same setups would produce any different result. I've never had one hater or one doubter ever call in because the results are there. It works 100% of the time. I say 99%. Again, God can do what he wants. Sevens, if you all understand that this system is 100% flawless, that works on the monthly every time, no matter what, with any symbol that you can plot, no matter what. Sevens, if you understand that. If you don't believe it, and you put down a 9, then you don't believe your own eyes. And I can't help you. I showed you 20-something different symbols this morning on the monthly, showing you the exact same setup, and it's done either up or down accordingly. Okay. Now, you all said it works flawlessly on the monthly charts, as I've shown you. Guess what? It works flawlessly on the 1-second chart, too. Our misinterpretation of what's happening causes your losses. Uh-oh, Kev did a fast pull rug on you. What do you mean, Kev? You're telling me what? You're telling me this on. Yeah, you guys just said it's flawless. Y'all said it was flawless. Let's get clear. You guys said it was flawless on the monthly. You said it, right? You literally just said that. So watch. My system doesn't just work on the monthly. My system works on the hourly, 4-hour, 2-hour, 7-hour, 12-hour. Yeah, you can make your own up. 15-hour, 10 minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute, 1 minute, 1 second. Oh, there's no way. He's so full of crap. No one can make sense out of 1-second trades. Oh, he's lost it. I could see the monthly, but there's no way it works like that on the. Oh, there's just no way. There's no way it works on the second. No one can make sense out of second charts. I was taught you couldn't even trade below 5-minute. You had to trade 10, 15-minute. You couldn't trade 5-minute, 3-minute one. And it's correct on those all day long. Let's go. Take a look. Oh, there's no way. Kevin's lost his fucking mind this morning. I would never trade 1 second. Let's get a couple things clear. But if I did, let's take a look. What's inside of here? I don't know if you guys have enough. This right here, so you can all see it, is the blue line high, pink line drop low, green, 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 red, right? Green, green. What is this right here? Anybody and everybody. What is it? Go ahead. I don't even know what symbol we're on. We're on US 30, I think. Oh, thank you, LT. Maybe I will count them as wins then. And then we're definitely past 50. Buy stop. Thank you, Andy and John. There you go. This is the buy stop on the 1-second chart to the blue line, I might add. You see how it went up to the 1-second blue line? Look at it. There it is. 1 second, 1 second. We're not even talking about verification here. I'm just doing it raw dogging this one. Oops, sorry. This is what it is. It's a buy stop, 1 second. Oh, but it couldn't possibly work on a buy stop 1 second or a sell stop 1 second on, I don't know, pick one. What do you guys want? You want Bitcoin? 1 second? This is the scalper's wet dream, by the way, what I'm showing you right here. Fill in the gap one. Any time, no, can't count that one for you. There's a sell stop. I'm just trying to get the easy ones for you to be able to pop. Without a dock break. There we go. Okay, here we go. This is a red, green, and this is a broken bottom. Blue line high, pink crossed it. 1 second sell stop. Bitcoin. Right here. So if I'm telling you the system, I showed you, not telling you. You told me the system was flawless. On monthly, you told me. I showed you that it's flawless on the 1 second and it's flawless on everything in between. So when you guys are having troubles, oh, the system isn't for me, and oh, I don't know about this or that, and I can't handle this, and I can't handle that. Just go back to any one of these videos. We'll be doing this every time. Now, our interpretation of this system is not false, although we're making the signal as close as you can get. I'll show you that in a second here. If there's any news, please don't trade the market news unless you're an expert in my system. Please do not trade it. Please do not trade it. The news is coming out at 8:30. I don't know if someone want to tell me if it is or isn't. You know. How do I get the system? What's up, Burn Dog? You go right over to where it says right down here. What does it say right down here? Burn Dog? For more information, go to safetytrade.com. That's where you go. And here it is right here. And there we go. Okay, delete it. And there it is. You go to the safetytrade.com, you buy it right here. Okay. 1 mil confirmation. That's funny, LT. Broken back 1 million confirmations. There was on that that was showing actually. He's right. All right. So if there's any news, don't play the market. But let me show you what the new updated code. Now let's keep in mind. Let me be clear on this. Let's keep in mind something. I am improving the signal service, which is over 50 wins, 0 losses. I'm improving it to be more accurate. How and why? Well, when we first made the signal service, Keith can only have me have the sniper on one chart. One of these charts. That's all he could do. This blue and pink thing. That's all he could do. Then, was it last week or the week before? I don't know, a week or so ago. He coded it so it can be I can use it on all charts. So right here, I think we have 7 open or 6, 7 charts. Okay. You can't see them all on TikTok. So once he gave me that ability, now I'm going to show you exactly how my mind trades, okay, and how the code for these things now trade. Let me show you exactly the upgrade for free. This is going to be a minute. He's getting the H&H scanner done today I believe we'll have an operation today. So it'll be inside your guys' charts if you have the sniper. It'll be in the scanner room if you have the scanners. And yeah, he's getting it done today. After that, gold will be done. So let's go on over to gold. Okay. And this is how trading is supposed to be done using my system. This is why you guys are going to laugh your effing ass off when you see this. If your trades are that good. If my trades are that good. Burn Dog, you can just watch my YouTube videos. Go back, don't be a lazy ass, and go back 450 videos. Actually, I have over 1,500 videos on YouTube. And if my trades are that good, go watch them. I'm assuming you wrote something that was a lot. I don't care if my trades are that good. And prove nothing to you, Burn Dog. Tom says they are that good. Doesn't matter. Burn Dog, these are not, he probably doesn't know anything about trading. These are non-repeating indicators, which means they never change. You can literally go back if you have enough memory, which we had to find out new OND goes back way farther than Blackpool does. At any rate, if you can find a broker that has enough history that's willing to share it, you can go back years. The same calls will be there. Nothing changes. There's no if my calls are that good. Thank you for speaking up, Bob. Thanks for speaking up, Tom. They are that good. Now, this is how my brain sees things. People on YouTube, people on TikTok, good luck following all this, but I'll try to explain it to you. This is on your far left, monthly, weekly, and so on. It goes to daily. It goes to 4 hour. It goes to 1 hour. It goes to 15 minutes and then 5 minutes. So right here on the month, let's show you how every one of you need to be using the system eventually when you learn things. Let's go right here to monthly. So you've heard of your top-down analysis bullshit. It doesn't work. They mark up the charts. They go down, but it's the weirdest fucking thing. I never understood that either about trading. First 5 years on losing. At any rate, now let's take a look. And this is going to really piss me off. One of my family members, close family members, didn't understand this. So everyone watching, answer this freaking question. Can you see the blue line is low right here, and the blue line goes high? Yes or no? My high is at the top of the indicator chart window where my purple arrow is pointing down. Yes or no? Good morning, Tandy B. Okay, so you can. Can you see the first time the pink line, well, they're pink purple, this is pink. The first time this pink line went from high to low, can you see that the pink line first time is low? 7s for yeses, 9s for no. I'm pointing to the low. 7s for yes, 9s for no. Thank you, Joe Vega. And for a side note, have not I explained this probably over 100 plus times, yes or no? Have I not explained that exact same concept hundreds of times, yes or no? Thank you, Casey. Thank you, LT. Thank you, D Nice. Okay, thank you, everybody. All right. Well, my own, I won't say who, which one of my family members, oh, is it not written in our rules? Yes, it's written in our rules. Anyway, so the very first time blue comes up, pink comes down, you have a buy stop. And this is a monthly buy stop. And of course, it just went rocketing upward in the queue. So I look at the monthly, I see where we're at, make sure we're in a buy stop or not. And of course, when the blue line's high, we're in a buy stop. So I go, okay, this is a good looking thing. So watch what happens. When this does it the very first time, you will see a weekly buy stop. Blue line low, pink line high, green, green, red, buy stop. This is huge movements. These are weekly movements. A lot of pips, a lot of money. So look, every time that you see this first time on the monthly blue line high, pink low, you will find a corresponding buy stop. Blue line low, green, green, red, block. Uh, it will be green also, by the way. It's up here, right there. There's your green. When you see this on the monthly, it forms it on the weekly. Henceforth, our rules always look to the higher time frame for the lower entry. Okay? Now, does that make sense? And by the way, I think that's cool as fuck. I mark one thing on a higher time frame, and there it is on the next time frame lower. So monthly, weekly, buy stop means it goes up. Either green means up, and red means down. That's not an either. That's fact. Green means up, red means down. So it did it on the weekly and monthly charts. Does everybody see that? Yes or no? Annie says seven's good enough for me. Dr. One Fly. Yep. Okay. So watch. This is what even gets cooler. Then you wait for the exact same thing to happen on the weekly. So you just come over here. I could pick any one of these. I don't have to be this particular. We'll just grab this one right here. Fine. Let me click this. What I'm looking for, there it is. What I'm looking for is blue line high, pink line low right here. And then we come back, that's your retracement of the logo. Then you come down to here and you're going to see the very first time it fit down, which is then right here on the daily. You can clearly see blue line matching this pink. And then you see the buy stop right here, red, green, minus, green, 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 red, and then your buy stop. Make this bigger for us. Let's see if it went up. And of course, price went up greatly. So there you go. So we went from monthly to weekly, weekly to daily. It can't possibly happen on daily to 4 hour, but yes, it does. Let's make sure we got it right here. Oh, this is the first time. There you go. Now you go from your daily to your 4 hour right here. And here's your 4 hour. The lines up green, 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 red, red twice, and a third time right here, buy stop. And of course, price went up again. And you can keep repeating this. I took you from monthly to 4 hour. I could take you 4 hour to 1 hour. I could take you 1 hour to 15 minutes. Does everybody see what I'm doing? This is a little complicated. I get it at this point. That's why I pointed out exactly what it is. Do you all understand? Yeses or nos? Somewhat of what I'm trying to explain to you. And the new code will be doing this for you. Yes, it'll be reading monthly charts for you. Yes, it'll be reading and calling out weekly sells for you, buys for you. Monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour and 15 minutes. 1 hour and 15-minute calls. Those will be happening fast. And this will be all in the. Can you do first ones on 1 minute too? Yeah, absolutely. Let's go over to 1 minute charts. I'm going to take away all these, but the point is the code will have all this built into it down to the 15-minute, maybe 5, we'll see. But 15-minute, I think that's fucking incredible. Me personally, I think that's absolutely stunningly incredible. Let's take a look at 1 minute. Give me a second to get it. I love when people come on here. If you're blah, 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 that good, blah, blah, blah. Well, I'm in vacationing in Vegas for 3 months. I guess it might be pretty good. if they just can't stand it that the system is 99.999% accurate. They want to be a hater, but they can't. It's so funny to me. Well, if it's so good, then why? Oh, I've heard it all over the years. Trust me. Ain't nothing I ain't heard. You're a funny little group of people in this world. Instead of just, they've been burned so many times. They've been hurt so many times. They've been whatever so many times. Let's go to the 1 minute over here. Let's take, how do you know what this is? This is gold. Here you go. See, he just asked the question that was just gone over. I proved to you the 1 monthly, the monthly did it, the 1 second did it, and he says, does it work on the 1 minute? Blue line comes down low, first time peak rises up for the 1 minute. So technically, this has to be a verified view. Sorry, let's get this correct. So now let's go back. See, so this is what you do. The very first time that the blue matches up with it, this turns into what? What is this? Well, this isn't a sell stop because the first time it happened, this is still green, 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 green. We are to look for the sell stop, right? And see if you find one. But I'm also telling you that when you see this right here, this is what I'd be looking at. See, this very first time this occurs on the 1 minute, you verify the logo as formed, which is what this is with the blue line arching up. I never taught you that. The blue line arching up is the logo. When you combine these two together, you'll see this comes down and this comes up. Red, 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 green, red, red, still stop. So you can enter off the 30-second line or off your 1 minute. This is how you verify the trade. So yes, it works on one. As accurate as it works on monthly, as accurately as it works on 15-second, 1 second, as accurately as it works on 1 minute or 1 hour, 15 minutes. Yep. Hard to show you everything on TikTok. Sorry. Let's see if I can scoosh it out a little bit more for you guys. Oh, the doo-dah today. Oh, the doo-dah today. TikTok was trying to take me off because of inactivity. They're so weird. Let's do these two right here. There we go. Hopefully that's better for you. First time the 1 minute went down, pink arched up. It's in the rules. First time it happens is the best. The blue came up with it, forming a sell stop. That's out. That's just 30-second blue line. There it is. Just repeated it all for you guys. Morning, Dr. Bianca Adams. Igor. Did that explain it for you, Igor? So yes, it works on 1 minute, 30 seconds, 3 minutes, 1 minute. Yep. Every time, without fail, you just need to have this set up. Let me go over it again with you guys. I'll use my little numbers so you can trade by numbers. First time this comes down. 2. First time the pink comes up, corresponding either here or here, doesn't matter on the buyer also. And here. And that's it. And there's close. This happens to be going to the blue line right here, which is perfection. I was trading these lower time frames. This is what I would do so I don't get confused with anything. I'd wait either for the 1 minute or the 30 seconds to be going to their blue line. Igor, did that help you? Did that help everybody out there to show you this? Yeses or no's, please. All right. Yeah, isn't that pretty fucking cool? I guess Builder Las Vegas isn't here. So yeah, there you go. Now I will play market open with you at 9:30. I will go through and we'll actually make some call outs live with you guys at 9:30. Oh, there's Builder Las Vegas. Good morning, Builder Bodice. Good morning, Builder. All right. I think it's been one hell of a morning, hasn't it? How fucking fantastic has this been? I think it's been a great morning. We've gone over the legal disclaimer, gone over our trademark, gone over our 12 symbols. We haven't gone over the rules yet. I'll go over those. I haven't told you to record your session, but you need to. I told you where to buy the system from. You need to unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading to relearn the system. Absolutely, you do. To master, you need to teach it. We are Stan ambassadors. What does that mean? We sell the system. Stan is like a online store. It is an online store, and we're one of their top people. We're senior Stan ambassadors. So they asked us. We kind of turned down their senior part, but they gave us like a modification of it. H&H scanner, the scanner rooms. We talked about those two things. The sniper, we talked about the signals we talked about. We do have an affiliate program. If you're doing great, buy those things. If you're not doing great, don't. Renewals, yep, go to the website, pay for it. Don't ask us for anything. $5.25 for the years. Here's some cold hard facts about it. We may not reach each and every one of you. I tried desperately every day for the last 2 years on TikTok, a year and a half on YouTube, trying to help each and every one of you become better traders. I just went through a whole training session with you guys, trying to help you. Morning, Builder. Each and every one of you, but the reality is we won't reach every one of you. But I guarantee you that we are your best shot. Shouldn't use the word guarantee. You get money back. You can't learn something. But we are your best chance of succeeding in trading. We are. I believe that with my heart and soul. Bree and I and even Keith do everything we possibly can to help win at trading. Every day I'm here teaching. I'm back to every day trading with you. Well, I traded with you when I was busy. All right. I'm going to go ahead and look at our US 30 guys again and see what's going on currently with everybody. Hold on 1 second. We're going to be using OANDA. They're just a better. They're just better. OANDA just has more history. Okay. So let's take a look. Oh, shit. We're at a 1 minute sell stop. This is a 1 minute, 3 minute sell stop to the blue line. This is US 30. Look at that. You were just asking about that, whoever that was. Look how easy this is. Look at how. Hold on. Yeah. Damn. Well, you just saw the 1 minute, 3 minute live. Right? Hold on. Nice. Let me see what's going on over here with now. One minute sell stop towards NAS's blue line. Afterwards, look for 5 minute buy stops. Oh, hold on. 3 minute buy stops. Yeah, 5 minute buy stops. Love them. 10 minute. 5 minute, 10 minute. 5 minute, 10 minute. 5 minute buy stop, all three indices. 1 minute sell stops, all three indices. Let me see this. 10, 15. Oh, look at how gorgeous this is. The 1 hour's just happened. Look at this. Look at this. There you go. There's SPX, there's US 30. Let's see, 1 hour. This is a 1 hour, 4 hour? 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy. Okay. Let me see this real quick. Work this out. Yeah, already was. Let's see, is this 4 hours though on US 30? Happening right now. Oh, this is sweet. You can play the 1 minutes all you want. Feel free. You can play the 1 minute sells, but I love these buys. Love, love, love buys. This is a 1 minute sales times US 30. No, it's not going to be the US 30 this time. If it's going to go down any further, it'll be towards the NAS. 1 minute. My favorite other one out for us. These are technically, these are going to be less. These are going to be like 15-minute, 1 hour buy stops. So beautiful. Well, everything I called out yesterday came 100% true. Thanks be to God. God gets all the glory. Always has, always will. And now we're calling out these little suckers for you. Nice. Let's go back over to here. Let's go back here. Oh, jeez. There we go. All right. So we're going to see some short-term sells back. And then later today, probably around open, you'll see the push up on open. It'll happen somewhere between now and 10:15. If it doesn't happen, then it'll happen. It's always the 4 hour candles in case you know how they move things. Always the 4 hour candles. They'll move things up or down based on the 4 hour candles. You'll be inside of it. What's up, Holly Atwood? OMG, Kevin. What's up, Holly and Bree? I need to reach out to you guys. Sure, absolutely. We'll be here. Look forward to it. All right. TikToker and YouTube's 58. How many do we have on? 30. That'll work. All right. How cool is this? We get to watch. Look, there's your sell. Just called out sell stop 1 minute. That's NAS going towards its blue line. We just made money on that trade. I'm assuming SPX. Let's take a look. There goes US ricocheting back down to there's the touch. Oh my gosh. From my mouth to God's ear. There it goes. This was just written out. This was open the sell stop towards NAS's blue line. Look where it's going. Look where it's going. This is price. That's the blue line. There it is. Touchdown. There it went. Wow. Everyone buy the system. Everyone buy the system. Buy the system. The bounce is beautiful. Maria Toller says left route line. I know this is crazy. Look at that. Just called that out live. Just wrote it out live for you. I would ask who was here, but you guys were mentally on. You guys, 58 of you on YouTube, 38 of you on TikTok. Look at Sandro. There's the touchdown. Boom. First part of the prophecy fulfilled. There it is. There it is. There it is. Before your very eyes. There's NAS touching its 1 minute blue line. SPX touching its blue line. The ricochet of US 30 touching its blue line. Wow. Just wrote this out. Look at the sales towards the next 1 minute blue line. I wouldn't say towards anymore. There's a touchdown. There you have it. There you have it. Buy the system. Buy the system. Go over there. Go to the safetytrade.com and buy the system. Again, I know when you buy it, we're not going to reach every one of you, but I also know that we're your best chance at succeeding at trading. There it is. I would stay in these cells for as long as you can. Stay in the sell stops, just lock in your profit. Follow the rules. We have on this. Lock in profit. Stay in this trade for as long as you can as it goes down. Then, if you miss this trade, who cares? Just go ahead and look for a buy stop on the either 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, or 1 hour time. You'll see it happen later today. Lord willing. Just made $100 in 10 seconds. Nice. Nice, LT. Congratulations. Yes, Maria Toller called it perfection. Yes, ma'am, only because of God. And now Bird Dog saying I need you. Yeah, well, I was reaching out to you a little bit ago. Anyone new here? I can teach you how to do this right now live. That's too funny. Okay, I got to be honest. Usually it's not that good. Well, 1 minute. I told it 15-minute sales. So that's too fucking funny. No sooner did I get done writing it out than it happens before your eyes. Any doubters out there? Any haters out there that would like to go ahead and say something about the trade before your very eyes? Any haters? Any doubters? How about people that are really, really happy? How many of you? I see 58 of you saying thank you, God, on YouTube, and 38 of you on TikTok saying thank you. Where are the thank you gods at from 50 of you? What I should do is close this live right now, since there's so many of you who are ungrateful. But I won't today. I'll keep it going today. But I don't know about you, but if someone said 1 minute sells towards the NAS, 1 minute blue line, and then a minute fucking later it happens, I'd be thanking somebody. Oh, that's pretty impressive. I love doing live trades with you guys. No, I didn't trade it. Well, I didn't trade it in this account, anyways. I trade through MetaTrader 4 and Nadex. My brother does traded by tons of people they think are swim, interactive brokers. I just like Nadex, and I just like MetaTrader 4. So I have two accounts, and one has like $600 or $700 in it. One's a little larger, a few thousand. Lon, you're welcome, Lon. And I'll say thank you for Jesus too. Yep, little Joe. And Kevin, watch it every day. Oh, brand new. Someone said they're brand new. Hold on, I'm going to see who's saying I want to help the brand new people here. Sandra's clapping. What's up, Jen? You're brand new. What's up, Jen? Welcome to the channel. Annie, Can you reach out to Jen K and I guess just direct messages if there's any questions, please? You're welcome, Manny. Wasn't that sweet? Okay. There you go. There's some thank yous. Thanks for speaking up, Maria, Greg, Jan, Tracy Ann Davis. Good morning, Joanne. Do you notice, Jen, that there's a lot of people on TikTok? Let me show you. A lot of the followers that I have are female now. Thank God we built that up. Let me show you right here. This is the live YouTube feed. The Maria Toller's been with us well over, geez. Maria, it's been a year and a half now? Probably. LT, Greg, Fly to the Sky. This is Jan, Tracy Ann Davis, Joanna Webley, Andrew. Yeah, it's looking at Andrew writing it out. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Ron. 2 years this August. So coming up on 2 years, Maria told him. So Maria's been with us 2 years, Jen. You might want to reach out to Miss Maria and her husband, Steve. Incredibly nice folks. And then Miss Maria, if Jen has any questions, if you wouldn't mind answering those for her. Welcome, Jen. What's up, Rico? Good morning, Rico. They're going to ricochet. I don't know if they're gonna. They might ricochet, come up, come back down. What does that mean? Price is gonna come up here, hook, and come back down. Let me show you. Oh shit, it's doing right for sure, guys. Come up and come down again. It's doing it on. Okay. It's getting a little scary at this point. Every time I say something, it's coming true, and there it did it on there. See, look, doing it as you speak. Oh my goodness gracious, that's funny. Well, some mornings are just like that. You're on a roll. This happens to be one of those mornings. Holy shit. We are just rolling. I wanted it to come up a little bit higher, then cook and come down, but I ain't gonna argue with it. Let's hope this pulls back up to here and then comes back down again. That's what I'm hoping for. It's ricocheted right down as I was speaking. Oh well. All right. Tell it to come back up and come back down, Kevin, please. I just did it. Okay, I wanted to come back up again, a little higher this time, and then hook and come down. I don't know. I'm afraid maybe pushing it a little. See, here's 30. Damn, look at it. Damn. Let's see what this little sucker's showing now. Yeah, see? You wait till the upgrade when we have our 30 seconders flip first. Oh, it's going to give us such an advantage to these 1 minute sells. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop, all the indices to the NAS, 100 5 minute line, or towards it, anyways. Later in the day, 15-minute buy stops, 1 hour buy stops. Later this morning, probably actually. 1 minute, 5 minute sells. Let me update this right to the 5 minute towards. This is going to get a little thick in the tooth right here about flipping down now. I don't know if we can get that big of a down push on it. Let's take a look. Oh, maybe. Maybe. We'll see. Yes, please. That's funny. All right. Now we have how many minutes? About 35, 40 minutes to market open. All of you should have made so much money on those 1 minute sell stop calls I just made. You shouldn't still be trading. This thought, if you're doing more than 2 or 3 or 4 trades, hell, 2 trades in a day, you're trading too, unless you're trading multiple symbols. If you're looking for the first 15-minute, 1 hour time it happens for blue line buy stops and sell stops, then by all means keep trading. By all means. But this is how, in case you guys missed my point earlier, by the way, let me go back to this. There's a reason why the sniper is worth $150 a month, this pink thing, because the whole coding system, you notice, the whole looking for the logo is because of the sniper. The whole buy stop is because of the sniper. I couldn't trade without the sniper as accurately as I do, even when I know how to trade without it. I will never trade without the $150 a month optional sniper add-on. A lot of people don't. We still have probably half dozen people on the OOG system back in the day, 2 years ago, and they don't have it. I think it's literally one of our members sold his car, got a cheaper car to pay for the sniper. I would do the same thing if I had to. Yep, simple as that. The sniper is that important. The code written for the signal server, which is 50 and 0 plus, 50 wins, 0 losses, documented. Every one of those trades has been documented on a previous live. I lost track of how many there are. I like LT's version. I called something that didn't engage, it's still a win. I like it very much. So the sniper. Henceforth, I was able to make this call. One of our guys asked, said, "Oh, well, this doesn't work on the 1 minute," and there it was sitting for us, working on the 1 minute. So yeah, yep, 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 Papa. It does work. $650 for Miss Maria Toller. Congratulations. Standing O. Jen, I don't know if you're still here or anyone new. Miss Maria Toller, it took her a good solid 9 months or so ish, maybe more, maybe a month or two less. But look, this is Miss Maria Toller now, a year and a half later, $650. Stay at home mom, has a beautiful family, beautiful husband. Thank you, John. Wow. John Francesco. I think everyone who finds the system is godly directed. Everyone who buys the system is tired of getting burned and finally sees the light of fading truth. Wow. Good morning, Stevie. What's up, Jan? Oh, this is Jen. Jen's a new person over on TikTok. And Miss Maria gets to homeschool her children. Oh my goodness. Triple standing ovation to be able to spend time with her family like that. $650. Wow. Yes, we're live on YouTube and yes, we're live on TikTok. What's the question you get that irritates you the most? Well, the most I get irritated. Well, I'm trying to be a responder, not a reactor, first responder. Back in the day, it's things that are in the rules. For instance, someone close to me, my family asked me about the blue line rising up and blah, 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 that stuff. It's literally written in the rules. And he acted as if it was his first time hearing it. Yeah, it was pretty, it's heartbreaking and disappointing when people, so what's the question? It would be anyone asking me a question that's in the rules. It drives me bonkers. That's what would irritate me the most. I don't care about doubters. I laugh at them. I don't care about people who are just new here that think they know everything and they know nothing. That I laugh at them. I like to mock them, make fun of them, and destroy them with the truth. I love it. I live for that. Actually, here comes a ricochet. Come up again, flip and come back down. What I can't stand is when a new member or members, they're so lazy, they don't even look in the rules. They don't take personal trading responsibility. So when any question that's in the rules drives me nuts because they've had training, Jen. Let me go over here. Watch. They'll even ask questions. It so happens we have an answer for you directly here. If you need help, look at this. This is in the rules, Jen. If you need help before emailing us, go to your rules. I just said that. Go to the Discord. We have a learning room, Jen. Inside the Discord is a learning room. You can ask questions in the learning room. People will answer them for you. You can go to my YouTube channel and watch videos. You can attend an advanced training session every other Monday. You can ask your questions on any of my daily lives if it's not an individual question, meaning, oh, what's a buy stop? That's fine. What's a sell stop? That's fine. Why does my chart look like this with a yellow line? No, that's not fine. Google, go to your initial training video. Everyone has to do a training session with me. If all that fails, then email us. So that would be it. They have to have personal training responsibility. When people cannot follow these simple instructions, email us the silliest questions, that irritates me. Make no bones about it, Jen. I may sound nice, I may laugh, and everyone here understands that I'm not a person that holds your hands and gives you a participation award trophy for just time. Life is cruel, trading is extremely hard. I make it look easy every day. But I'm telling you right now that that man is an alien. No, I'm telling you right now that trading is extremely hard, and I'm an extremely hard teacher. If you can't take me giving you constructive criticism, please don't get the system. Don't buy it. If you can't take me yelling and screaming, then don't buy the system because there's times where I get that passionate about it. If you can't follow simple instructions, then don't get the system. This guy telling me all the reasons not to get the system. I'm just being truthful. If you can do all those things, and if you can stick with something, and if you can follow rules, and if you don't mind getting corrected, then buy the system. But if you think you know it all, don't buy the system. I don't know if you're new to trading or not. A lot of people think they know how to trade, and I used to think it too. For 5.5 years, Jen, I lost money. Over 5 years, I lost $26,500, which, as a side note, I used to think was a lot of money. And it is, until I found out there's other people who lost 500,000, 600,000, $700,000 trading. I was like, what the fuck? But anyhow, yeah. So I lost, but I kept going. My youngest daughter has um, epilepsy, has to take Lamictal, can't sleep at night. I didn't want my youngest daughter having to work a third job. Add on to the fact that I can't stand losing. And every time I placed a trade for 5 fucking years, I would lose. Every second, every time I put a trade in, it would go the opposite direction. I was like, what the hell's going on? So, well, it's just the opposite of the opposite. Nope, lost then too. So I was like, this is not, but then eventually I was right once, maybe in a week, and then twice in a week. And I started saying, well, how can I see this clearer? How can it help me? How can I do this trick? And then sure enough, I was right more and more. I make the system. I made it color coded. I added this for last year. And of course, they started the signals in January of this year. So it's been a road, it's been a process, but I do believe we're there. Yep, you absolutely have to put in some time to learn. Good morning, Erica. Thank you for the backstory, John K. Yep, I say it pretty much. I try to say it once a week. Jen K. Oh, I see you. First 5 seconds. I hope that's a good thing, Jen. I know nothing. Yes, perfect, Jen. Jen, you want to know nothing. The worst. We have two fantastic people that do so well with this system. There's two different types. Watch. This is some stuff right there. So who does really, really good with the system? Experienced traders with an open mind. Tommy comes to mind. Tommy was just on for a split second. He has a new family, senior electrical engineer. Tommy, I did training with the system that evening, that later that afternoon, or the next morning. He was making $8,000 and $10,000 trades. Tommy lost his job. He didn't lose his job. He was wrongly fired from his job not too long ago. He has okay for sure. If not, Tommy, forgive me, please. And then he got rehired at another job, made 50% more money. But anyway, in between there, his wife got worried about money. They took $300,000 out of his trading account and deposited electronically into his checking account. And that's how good Tommy was. But most people who are experienced traders think they know what Fibonacci is and that it works. They believe in naming of candle and cat and counters like Head and Shoulders and Thor's hammer. I was in front of it. They think that volume and VWAP and block trading actually works. You don't have any of that stupid, silly stuff in your head, Jen. So you're new. So the two types of members that do the best are beginners that know nothing, who have an open mind and they're willing to learn the correct way to trade, and then experienced traders with an open mind. The worst are traders who think they know what they're doing, buy the system, try to combine it with Fibonacci retracement, let's say, and think that it's going to work. The system is flawless, it needs nothing. You do not combine it with anything. There is no secret sauces that I teach people. Whatever. I'll not talk about the other. Hope that helps. Wonder Woman, this system works. Yep. Maria, I knew nothing. Boy, Miss Maria is not. Okay, then there's the people unlike Tommy who learned it, and there'll be a few. There's like 10 or 15 people probably, let's just say out of 1,000, 10, 13 got it immediately. I do the training with you guys, small group class. We just get it immediately. Then there's the vast majority takes 2 to 6 months to learn. It's like learning a new language. Like my lovely wife says. My beautiful, kind wife says. It's like learning a new language. I can't learn a new language. I mean, I can, but I guess it would take me a year, maybe 2. So I'm very slow at learning a language. Some of you are going to be slow at learning the system. Miss Maria, the beginner, she was as raw could be. Poor Miss Maria. She she didn't even know what red means down, green means up. She didn't know what even a normal buy was. I mean, there's people, that's a lot of them. Let's just say out of 1,000 people, there's probably 300 or 400 that were just like Miss Maria. What separates Miss Maria from a lot of people, though, she didn't give up, and she kept trying until she succeeded. It sounds corny, but a third of you who buy my system will fail at it, blame the system, say it doesn't work, right? A third of them will break even, and a third of you guys will make money. Roughly speaking, that's on average for any kind of system like this. I do everything in my power to help each and every one of you succeed every day. Every day. I would say out of every week, well, if you count in how many times I come on 2 or 3 times in a day, that's over once a day. I'm on the lot every day, Monday through Friday, trying to help you guys. And then what happens is other people that quit, they'll come back. Miss Kimberly Harrington, she quit. I know I got her once. It was twice she quit. And she came back, and now Miss Kimberly Harrington is a 62-year-old female who's retired. She thinks it's nothing to make $300 in a day, $500 a day, $1,200 in a day. She doesn't understand how good she is. Yet, Kim isn't the most computer literate person. She doesn't like, computers per se. It's just different for Kim. But doesn't none of that matters. Kim is so smart, she just follows the rules and wins. So she is literally retired from the system. We have, uh, oh boy, we have a bunch of people. Who are some of the other ones? Jake Cochran made over $200,000 in a trade. My own mother-in-law will make about $50 to $100 most days. Um, I don't know. There's a whole bunch of people, doing well, retired, making money, making side hustle money. Oh, that's right. Stevie, his wife, Heather, she was thinking about becoming a DoorDash driver, but instead of becoming a DoorDash driver, decided to try the system. I know for the first 30 days, Heather never missed one trade. She was correcting Stevie, who had been with me a year. And then she saved up enough money. She saved up $30,000 in the first month of trading, and she bought herself a Jeep, the down payment on a brand new. So, I mean, there's this story after we help homeless people become not homeless. Look up Billy's story on YouTube. Look up Sarah. Kevin is his name. Sarah is another homeless person. Just inspiration. So, yeah, it's possible. Anything's possible. But this is your best chance, hands down. I agree with Andrew. There will be ups and downs with anything. Yep, 100% true. But this is your best chance, and I agree with you. That's why I have that little thing out. Reason basically, we maybe not reach each and every one of you, but we're honestly your best chance of succeeding with trading. By the way, all right. I guess we should start getting geared up for our. I'm going to make some more call outs again for the open, even though I was quite clear on when they called out earlier. Okay. All right. Oh, that little treadmill. It's a tiny little treadmill, but it held up to 100 minutes straight of walking. I'm proud of it. Yay. All right. So does anybody new here have any questions before I go and make our call outs? Is anybody new here or experienced that has the system? There's any general questions that I can help you with? We are vacationing in, my wife and I are vacationing in Vegas. We've already been here 2 weeks, something like that. 12 days, 13 days. It's coming up on 2 weeks, and we still have 2.5 more months to go. I have 9+ years. I think it's 10 plus, whatever I'm at. Created my own trading system. Yep. We have 1,000+ members. Yep. Made for beginners. Yep. Our signal service since January 24 is 50 wins, and I guess generally it's way over that. But 50, I always underreport everything, by the way. 50 wins, 0 losses. For more information, head over to safetytrade.com. All right. Anybody have any questions? Speak up, please. This is TradingView you're looking at. We do walk you through everything and how to figure things out. We absolutely do. I hear birdies outside. That's one thing in Vegas. It doesn't seem like are there mosquitoes in Vegas? Do they get bad like they do like in Georgia, Alabama, Florida, Ohio? I just wonder that. Beautiful. Look at that, man. Oh, just a thing of gorgeousness. How gorgeous can you see things? Okay. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. Wonder where Our leader of the known world is. Oh man. Ooh wee. All right. Here we go. Let's see. SPX, NAS, and US. Let's take a look at gold first. I'm going to call out gold before for you guys. Let's see what we can find. 1 minute sell stop towards the blue line, gold. 5 minute buy stop, gold. 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop, 30 minute buy stop. Yeah. 1 minute sell on gold, 15 minute buy on gold. You can put your sell, put it right below the line right here, and wait. If you're going to do the buy, you kind of should already be in the buy, but it's still time. US 30. 1 minute sell already hit its blue line. It is now turning in. Stay in your 1 minute sell if you're in the 1 minute sells. 15 minute sell. Hold on a second here. We might get a little bit more juice out of this. Yeah, I like that. I do. The happy song from Post Malone. Yeah, I like the US 30 15-minute blue line sell. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. All three indices to either the NAS 5 minute blue line or the US 30 15-minute. I like. I like. I do. Da-da-dee, 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 da. I like it. I do. Here, let me give you guys some free info here. Do I have time before market open? I do. Let me help you guys see a few things before market open. Like I do. All right, here we go. Let's take a look. There's your ricochet back down, by the way. Wow, man, I've been on fire. Look at it go down before your very eyes. Look at US 30 drop, NAS drop, SPX drop. Back down to the blue line. That's the ricochet of the. Look at that shit. Right before your very eyes. Craziest. Oh, normally, no, I'm not that good. This is ridiculous at this point. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can get a better feel for what's happening. Since I just called it, it's dropping. I don't know why. I just like that 15-minute to the blue line, US 30. I do. I do. Da da dee da 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 da. Beautiful. Anyway, 15-minute buy stop, 30-minute buy stop, 1 hour buy stop, NAS SPX US 30. But in the meantime, enjoy this little downplay. Stay in the trades. Look at it. It's gorgeous. So what I was going to show you is this 15-minute sell stop, blah, 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 blah. Beautiful. That's US 30. Okay, you guys just made a little money on that. Here we go. Now, which part are you seeing? Are you seeing this right here? I think you are. Yeah. All right. So this is what you got. I love you. I do. Da-da-dee, da-da-dee, da-dee, da-dee, da. Oh, 12 hour. That's why it's fucking like that. Whoa, gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, ricochet back down to the blue line. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. How does your garden go? Oh yeah, yeah. Put up my singing. Anyone new here? People make fun of me all the time, but tough shit. I like it. All right, now what I was going to show you is this. Let me show you something. For everyone out there that's learning to trade, everyone out there that is trading, everyone out there that has the system, I'm going to show you a skill, totally free, totally free, totally free, totally free. Hmm. Not quite what I was looking for. Still learning TradingView. Trust me on that one. Well, anyhow, let's just take a look. I want to make it so you can see it though. How much further can I pull this over? There you go. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. All right. This is something that you guys can remember. I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. I want you guys to notice that these candles, which aren't real, they're just called price action, just represented by candles. You can see these little green things, Jen and whoever's new here, the yellow and all these red. These are just lines. They're called EMAs, but they're just lines. These lines, the price to the left and below those lines, you want to look for price to come over, touch it, and go down. That's called a sell. Okay. So that's all you're going to need for 1 minute candles. You can see them going over. Now on buy stop sevens, for everybody to understand, in order for this to form a sell stop, it has to be left or below the line. Sevens, if you understand that, prices below it to the left. Thank you, Larry. Thank you, Andy. I'll wait for the people on YouTube to catch up with us. Thank you, Joe Biga. Thank you, John. All right. So that's why we're calling this a sell stop. That's why we're calling it the blue line. Now let's take a look at a higher time frame one. What is it? Let's go to the 15-minute. So now let's take a look at the 15-minute now and see what we see. Now we have price action started below. So let me draw this out for those of you who are new. So you see just how cute this price, our little arrows just come up. It retraced right here and it went up. It's retracing right here. And we'll see. We're looking for a buy stop based on the simple fact that price, look, price came up above. Now price is to the left of our lines. See that? So this is sevens if you understand price to the left. So now we're looking for a buy stop. We have 10 minutes to market. 10 minutes to market. So we're looking for a buy stop. There was one here. Really, the first one's always the best. We're currently forming a buy stop now. Does that make sense to everybody? Yes or no? So when the candles are to the left and above, we're looking for buys, like on this 15-minute. When it's price is to the, well, so much easier to draw things, write things when you're not looking at it. The price is to the left of it and down, there it is. These are sells. So hopefully that makes common sense. Experienced traders, I guarantee you none of them knew this. I know this, I know that you didn't know this. You just didn't. That's called no, you didn't know that. There you go. Now you do. Free little gift for me to you. Again, I'm not trying to gouge anyone. I'm not here to be free. I'm not here to not make money. I'm not here to donate things. It is outside. I love you. Give me one second. How cold it is up there. It's a little chill. I love you. I do. Turn on the pool light, shouldn't I? Sure, why not? Give me one more second. I'll be right back. Okay. Look at it fall before your very eyes. Damn, look at US 30 go. Just amazing. So everybody on YouTube, if you want to head over to TikTok, you'll be able to see just some prettiness of, God's blessings right here. Palm trees. We have beautiful pool, more palm trees, sun rising, and we're here for 3 months. Yay. All because of the awesome, just gorgeous. Anyway, actually, here's some birds this morning. And we're going to be meeting with a realtor Thursday to look at some houses we might be buying in some gated communities. I found out that uh, things pays a lot of time, so we're definitely, Lord willing, going to be getting into a gated community. Um, but we're not out late usually. Our time, we stay on Eastern Standard Time, so we're midnight here. It's only 9 o'clock, in Vegas. Look at US 30 o'clock. All right, we have 5 minutes to market open. Does anybody have any questions before I get rolling on these call outs? Builders, yes. Oh, Clark, okay. So we're going to head on over to here, and I'm going to play this as we go through our actual. Um, yeah. All right, there you go. Look at that. Oh, gee whiz. Which trade did I like? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This is the one I liked right here. This is it. 15-minute sell stop towards the blue line is paying off in droves. We should be up probably about 50, 60 pips alone on that call. Already made the 1 minute sell stop calls on all three indices early today to the blue line. Again, huge money. Lots of pips for you. Another 80 or so pips. And then on top of that, you're up over, I can't stand this thing, 70, 80 pips. I have no idea, whatever that is. And then NAS hit its blue line, called out live for you, wrote it out live for you. SPX also. I'm not trading this morning. I don't think I have this account actually set up. I'll have to check that. All right, stay in. Now, market open, number one, don't play it. Market open, number two, you already made enough money from the trades I called out for you live. Don't play it. Number three, if you insist on playing it, lock in your 1 minute sell stop profits. Put your sell stop in wherever your profit is. Make a risk-free trade. And there you go. From a risk-free trade perspective, then look for, I would say, a minute on these. 4-hour daily buy stop on US 30. If you're in NAS, again, lock in your profit. Don't take any trades. If you're in NAS, 15-minute, 1-hour buy stops. I'm going to go over here. Oh, we really need to change that line. Shit. Hold on. I need to change that line color. Holy crap. Hold on. Let me see something here. This is MetaTrader 4. It's actually, you'll be using it on. Hold on. Oh, it won't let me fall. Yeah. I make it like a dark. No. My bad. I don't want to make the grid a different color either. Fuck it. We'll leave it. 3 minutes to market open. 3 minutes to market open. I'm not going to stay on much longer. Naz, stay in your 1 minute sell stops. Lock in profit. 15-minute buy stop. 1 minute sell, Naz. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute sell, US 30. SPX. 1 minute sell to its 5-minute blue line. SPX. 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop. So have some fun with it. Let's see how she rolls. I'm hoping at open we get a nice little push up here. We'll see how that works. Gold sell stop in the money, Fly says. Okay, Jan, let's take a look. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line on gold, yeah. More importantly, I do like and love this 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop gold. Love the trade. Love, love, love the trade. Let me see oil. We haven't horsed around oil. Oil's gonna become a fan favorite when we do this. I see that for you. 15-minute buy. A little late for you guys to get in, but that 15-minute buy is paying. That was called out this morning. 30-minute, 1 hour buy. Yeah, it's a 15-minute, 30-minute film. Yeah. All right, here we go. Nice. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop US 30. 1 hour buy stop US 30. 15-minute sell stop US 30. You can play it any which way you want to play it. We're not here to judge. We're not here. I do like that 1 minute, 5 minute. Just play that 1 minute sell stop, 15-minute blue line US 30. Later on, look for that 1 hour, 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. NAS, I think we're going to get more of an up movement on NAS later. Oh, are we getting it? Are we getting it? Nope. 1 minute sell. NAS, 15-minute buy stop NAS. 15-minute, 1 hour buys. Yeah. 1 minute sell NAS. Let me see if we can get SPX a little better. Same. 1 minute sell stop. Just trading below its. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, good. What do we have? Oh, it's market open. It's market open. Let's see what we got. 1 minute sell US 30. You're in the money on the NAS 1 minute sell. 1 minute sell SPX. Let's watch US 30. Maybe I can zoom out a little bit for you here. All right. Here's US 30. In the money on your US 30 1 minute sell. You can take profit or lock in profit if you'd like on US 30. NAS, you're in the money on the sell. 1 minute sell. Chase it down when it comes down. Okay, or don't chase it down. 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop NAS. 15-minute sells in the money on US 30. 5 minute sell. 1 minute sell. Now you can get ready for the buy stops to kick in for the 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops US 30. Or not. That's up to you how you want to play it. NAS. I'd be getting ready for those buy stops. Hopefully in the next 5 minutes or so. And then I gotta go. Well, that was an uneventful morning. Oh, live, open, I should say. All right. We'll sell up in the money. Good morning, Kim Bernard. Good morning, Kim. All right. I'm going to go ahead and roll. I'm going to keep you in mind. Stay in those cells if you can on US 30. If you can, stay in the cells on US 30. Lock in profit. If not, get ready to play the 15-minute, 1 hour buy stops. But I would like to see the 15-minute US 30 dip down further. I'd like to come down more. Then look for the buys, but whatever. All right, guys, any questions before I roll? Any questions at all? If not, thank you all for being here. Thank you all for watching. You're welcome, Joe. I thought it went rather well this morning. Stay in your cells for as long as you can, lock in profit, stay in your cells, and then look for the buy stops to happen later on today. That's my advice to you guys. TikTok, any questions, head over to YouTube. TikTokers, any questions, head over to YouTube. You're welcome, Flight 379. You're welcome, Kim. You're welcome, Builder Vegas. Good morning. Yeah, and Joe Biga, thank you. All right, TikTok is going to go. YouTube, any questions for me before I leave? There it is. There's a nice US 30 dip down. That's what you want to see. The US 30 sell is working out very nicely. Beautiful 15-minute sell towards the blue line. Perfect, you're in the money. Good on that sell on US 30. All right. Any questions on YouTube for me? You're welcome, Greg. You're welcome, Andrew. You're welcome, Jay Parker. You're welcome, Jan. All right. Well, guys, take that money on that sell on US 30, boy. I lock in profit, take it off of there and run. Awesome. All right. Well, God bless. Everyone have a good day. Make some. You're welcome, China Bowman. You're welcome, Tanny. You're welcome, Kando. You're welcome, Jackson. All right. Good luck, guys. God bless. Lots and lots of memories. Great memories, I hope. Oh, that was really nice. What a great morning that was. See you all.